Hey guys, I hope you guys are about to enjoy the video that you're about to watch. And if you guys want to get access to awesome trades like this that me and Hayden post on a regular basis, all you have to do is sign up with the link in the description. Now remember, we're not always going to win them, but we're going to make some great gains along the way. Feel free to check out the profit and loss history on my website. Peace. Hello everyone, I hope you guys are having a wonderful day as per usual. I'm just going to be doing some analysis on Bitcoin here, and you guys can probably tell things are looking very promising for BTC as we have now breached the $38,000 level. We are now above it. We've got a daily close. Now all we need to do is confirm above this $38,000 level, and then we could continue this melt up towards the upside here and play out into this potential pattern in wave 4, and also this pattern here that I've drawn out in wave 5 that I've drawn out here down here is also a possibility that the wave 5 is still extending and then it's not finished, right? And then it'll come back down in a larger wave 4 afterwards, and this will go naturally. Just I think it might go a little bit lower, right? Or sorry, I actually couldn't, because we actually Elliott wave theory, you're gonna have to hold this high here. You can't go below wave 1, so something like that. I just have it up here. So I was actually questioning myself there for a little bit. But yeah, let's get into it. And right now, daily time frame looking very promising for Bitcoin. You're actually getting a big pump in alts, so alts are rallying up. Rune is up 10%, Solana is up 3%, and then ADA, I believe, is up just a slight fractional amount as well. Yeah, but overall, alts are getting a pump left and right, one after another. They're just going up. And then you're seeing that on Wave Edge, we are not getting too much selling on the daily anymore, right? They have been taking profits along this rally, so just be aware of that. But the MACD looks like it's about to cross back. Looks like we're going to get another continuation, a run towards the upside. 40K is just on the horizon, but it is a big target, right? It is a very big psychological target, 40,000. Once we do get there, we could be finished, right? But we could also pump into 40, 42 and then continue that move up. And once we do continue this move up, we're probably going to get the ETF news, right? There's so much news about the ETF. Once we do get that news, a lot of people are thinking that it'll be a bullish event. My best guess is going to be a sell the news event, and that's going to be your wave 4 retrace. And then after that, you know, who knows, right? Do we hold, or do we just like break the lows and we start to collapse back down? But I think it'll hold, right? It should probably hold as long as the markets hold up and keep, you know, floating up, but we don't get any market crash. Then that could avert, you know, Bitcoin collapsing as well, right? I think the only thing that could take down Bitcoin now is like probably the ETF being declined or Bitcoin crashing. And the ETF not being approved looks like it's going to be coming very soon, and we could very well get a big pump up and a continuation up. Smaller time frames like the 4 hour, didn't see anything there. 1 hour, you're getting some selling. Again, you're just getting a little bit of selling, so maybe we'll come back down and we'll continue making higher highs and higher lows, and just, you know, just keep this gentle uptrend going, right? So you could probably tell you have a little bit of an upsloping trend line here. Well, maybe we'll draw it down here. Maybe we'll make a channel. I think Infinity inside the Discord showed us a nice little regression channel that he was looking at from here all the way to here. You have a potential little bit of a resistance level right around 39,500. So maybe we'll get a nice little spike up there, and then we'll come back down to 37 and then gently flow back up, right? So right now Bitcoin's just bouncing up and down until we get any significant move. You know, you shouldn't be too worried. Right now the daily looks like it's gonna pump up and continue. Right now we have a -5, 13, and a green money flow. 4 hour, you have green money flow showing a 5th wave top out, but it can continue up. It can. Don't think that it can't. It can very well continue. 1 hour green money flow as well. So all things showing that you could have a potential continuation towards the upside. I don't like any shorts at the moment on this level. Although you can start swinging shorting. I have started open some swing shorts on some like smaller positions, like 1%, 2%, 3% on some alts here and there, because I do believe we're going to get that retrace. And when we do get it, I don't want to be like FOMOing into shorts or anything. I'll just average into my positions. And that's just the way it goes, right? That's the way it's done. I don't really have much to add. The dollar is definitely struggling right now. It really can't get out of its own way. On the daily, you have 2 green dots here, but you're now cutting into red money flow. So the dollar could be struggling unless it gets a big spike up. Then maybe Bitcoin could come back down, or the S&P could come back down. But dollar spiking up hasn't seemed to bother Bitcoin lately. And again, they're not always correlated, right? So that's why you can't just trade the correlation. It doesn't always correlate. We've seen the dollar go up with the Bitcoin going up at the same time. All right, so that's basically it. Don't be shocked if we get 40K pump, 42K in the next couple of weeks, couple of days. Right, it could happen at any moment. The ETF approval is supposed to be in January, first week of January, but maybe we'll get a pump way before then, right? Christmas time, everyone's gonna talk about how much money they're making in Bitcoin. Everyone's gonna buy Bitcoin on the holidays with their friends and family. So, right, that's probably the way it's gonna go. Anyways, have a good weekend, guys. Talk to you guys later. Peace.